So welcome back to our prelims PYQ series in which we are solving PYQs from 1979 to 2024. It is theme wise and topic wise, and the same question will be appearing on the PYQ portal of Educami, and the notes are given below on the link. So let's start. Today's topic is scenario before 1720 to 1857 till revolt. It is a part one of the video. For other videos, you can check out history playlist. Question number one. The French supremacy in India came to an end with the अब 1979 का क्वेश्चन है. चार ऑप्शंस हैं, देखते हैं. बैटल ऑफ वैंडीवॉश, सेकंड बैटल ऑफ प्लासी, थर्ड बैटल ऑफ बक्सर, बैटल ऑफ पानीपत. इसमें दो आपको तो पता ही होने चाहिए. बैटल ऑफ प्लासी हैपेंड इन 1757 and battle of Buxar happened in 1764. But the French supremacy ended with Battle of Vandewash 1760. It was between Ayercourt versus Count de Lally, and it ended the dominance of French in India. The answer is A. Moving to next question, which is question number 2. Why could the British only succeed in trade and commerce in India, not others? 1979 का question है. Because of government backing, second quality of merchandise, third naval superiority, fourth all of the above. अब इसमें अगर देखेंगे, ब्रिटिश को गवर्नमेंट बैकिंग नहीं था. इट वाज अ ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी, वाज अ प्राइवेट ट्रेडिंग कंपनी. तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. अब ऑल ऑफ द अबव तो हो नहीं सकता, बचा बी एंड सी. The only reason that the British could succeed in the trade and commerce in India was its naval power. The answer is C. Going to next question. You can take the screenshot of this, prelims के components and the features. Question number 3. The personality who is not connected with 1857. बहुत easy question है. देखोगे आप ऑप्शन अपने आप समझ जाओगे. भगत सिंह was not there in 1857. The answer is A. Rest others, Lakshmibai, Tantia Tobe and Nana Sahib was present or connected with 1857 revolt. Question number 4. Which of the following was the main feature of the policy of dual government of the British rulers in India? 1980 का क्वेश्चन है. आज भी ये क्वेश्चन रेलेवेंट है बिकॉज पॉलिसी ऑफ डुअल गवर्नमेंट जब पूछता है, students may get confused. When we talk about dual government, it is talking about revenue administration as well as civil and military administration. तो अब देखते हैं closest option कौन सा है. The English collected the revenues with the help of Indian officials and they became virtually the head of civil and military administration. Second, the general administrative body consisted of two categories of rulers. Third, main items of administration were in the hands of local kings and the rest were in the hands of British rulers. ये तो नहीं है. Some portions of the land were ruled by local kings. No. The closest option is A. जहाँ English revenues collect कर रहे हैं with the help of Indian officials and they only became the head of the civil and the military administration. Answer is A. Moving to next question, which is question number 5. Write the correct chronological order of the following annexations by Britishers. 1984 का क्वेश्चन है. ये देखते हैं. इफ यू नो, हैव यू रेड अबाउट द हिस्ट्री, मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री, तो अवध का जो एनेक्सेशन होता है अराउंड 1856 था बाय डलहौजी, एंड पंजाब का एनेक्सेशन आफ्टर सेकंड एंग्लो पंजाब वॉर अराउंड 1849. बट अगर अपर बर्मा की बात करें तो इट इज अराउंड 1885. अब हम लोग लॉजिकली अरेंज करते हैं तो पंजाब कम्स फर्स्ट, देन अवध, देन अपर बर्मा. तो 213 इज द डी. द आंसर इज डी. मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6. The first war of Indian independence started in 1857. Yes. The soldiers refused to use the greased cartridges. Yes. The both are correct, and R is the correct ignition of A. The answer is A. Moving to next question, which is question number 7. The first political association in the Bombay Presidency was established by. अगर हम उसको देखें तो फर्स्ट पॉलिटिकल एसोसिएशन जो बॉम्बे प्रेसिडेंसी में बना था, इट वाज बाय जगन्नाथ शंकर सेठ 1852. आंसर इज सी. ये बहुत फैक्चुअल क्वेश्चन है, आप उसको याद रख लीजिए, नोट बना लीजिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The revolt of 1857 failed. Yes, it failed. It lacked adequate organization and military power. Now, yes, it lacked adequate organization and military power. That's why revolt of 1857 failed. So A and R are related and both are correct. And R is the correct explanation of A. The answer is D. Question number 9. Sepoy Mutiny of 1857 failed due to. Sepoy Mutiny 1857 का fail हो गया क्यों? Due to lack of effective organization, lack of unity, lack of unified system of leadership. मतलब सब correct, all of the above. Answer is D. Moving to next question, question number 10. Which among the following led the sepoys at Kanpur in the 1857 uprising? कानपुर में कौन अपराइजिंग को लीड कर रहे थे? चारों ऑप्शन देखते हैं। लक्ष्मीबाई वॉज इन झांसी, तात्या टोपे वॉज नॉट देयर, कुंवर सिंह बिहार आरा, नाना साहिब वॉज द पर्सन हु वॉज लीडिंग। द आंसर इज सी। मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. Which among the following, which one of the following was the state that was not annexed by Lord Dalhousie by using the doctrine of lapse? डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स से डलहौजी ने कौन सा स्टेट को एनेक्स नहीं किया था? तो नागपुर किया था, उदयपुर किया था, सतारा किया था। बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट मैसूर, it was already under subsidiary alliance by Wellesley. Mysore was not annexed by doctrine of lapse by Dalhousie. The answer is C. Last, 12th question number 12th. Which one of the following was given to King Charles as a part of his dowry on the occasion of his marriage with Queen Katharina of Braganza? So this was a factual question 1992 का है, बॉम्बे उनको डाउरी में मिला था, and that's why British set up a settlement there. With this, we complete this video and stay tuned for other parts.